Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you how you can upload a video in flipgrid. Okay, so I will give you a flipgrid code and you can access the certain topics using that code. Okay, so I'll go to the flipgrid website. Okay, this is our flipgrid website. So here, first of all, they will prompt us for a code. Yes, I will enter the code here. Okay, so after using the code, you should first register with your DIU account. Whenever you use your DIU account, you can access it and submit your response. Okay, so let's say I am using a demo account for this purpose. Now I will type the password here. Okay, my password is done. So after that I can enter directly to the topic C if this topic is created for my ET215 students. So first of all, if you want to submit your response, please press this big plus symbol. If you press this one, you can upload a video from your existing computer or machine. See, so I will upload this video. Okay, so after uploading, I will submit this next. So there are some editing option. I'm ignoring this one for now. See, so this has shown that it is complete, so you should give your name. So I will write this one MD Raihan. Okay, so that's it. Now you should click submit video. See, they're showing that your video is now visible in the topic. Okay, now you should press this complete button. Now see, you are done. You can see your video you have uploaded here, or you can see other response from your other classmates here. Okay, that's it. That's for now. Okay, please submit your assignment using flipgrid. Thank you very much for your time.